AI because we're building a space for anyone who's interested in AI engineering. That could be someone who is curious about AI, who's done a lot of machine learning and is curious about generative AI and large language models. We have 3 very exciting speakers today.
At Pieces, we're trying to automate power teams at various development shops. We're also building out for the next stage of development a lot of tools for generating standardized reports in the development process.
We don't buy ads, we don't sell ads. We just sort of monitor everything that goes on with people trying to set ads online. So we make sure that our customers know where their ad was served, whether it was fraud, whether it was like good for their brand. We're eyeing that. Okay, so we figured out that everything went well. How do we make it go better?
So Clay lets go-to-market teams turn any idea for growing a company to reality quickly. But basically, we're a tool to let you research companies and leads and do outbound to them at scale. Kind of like an AI-powered spreadsheet. So basically, a spreadsheet where you can add enrichments about companies or people from 100+ data providers or our AI web research agent.
First, because we want this process to kick off for very standardized types of reports, we cut off all chats with the user from the beginning. So the scope is standardized and predefined for each report type that we have. And we also enable the call tools and the LLM with a lot of project level context from the Paces platform.
We evaluate content, by that I mean like web pages generally. How can I evaluate that and figure out if it's a good fit? Is every time we see new content, we embed that in a vector database. From that vector database, similar items, score a chunk of them through the LLM, find the best ones in that set. And now what we have is, okay, these are key points of content that are great for this brand. So with the vector DB, we just need to query, okay, what is similar content?
So Clay Agent, it's our web research agent. It'll take actions for you on pages, so fill out forms. You know, scroll through pages, paginate through things, build lists for you. The last 2 things are mainly around kind of data provenance. One, we give you a Clay Agent replay. So you actually get a screen reporting of what Clay Agent does when it's doing its research. It really helps in terms of giving kind of confidence that these results actually are what they say they are. LLMs can be problematic in terms of their citations, but actually like we'll just show you how it did its research or where it got its data from. And then the last is, you know, a very topical thing the past couple of days because of Cloudflare's decisions and, you know, just generally I think the web scraping world. But yeah, we do our best to bypass captchas as well.